I'm Madhura, welcome to Madhura's Desire. So today I'm going to show all of you the quick and easy way of making aloo gobi and methi ki sukhi sabji, which is nothing but cauliflower, potato and fenugreek leaf, and we will make a dry preparation. So prior to making this recipe, I just like to give a small tip about it. So the cauliflower, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, all of this vegetable comes under the cruciferous family of vegetable, which always give a bloatiness in the stomach after eating. To avoid this bloatiness in the stomach, all the experts always suggest us that we need to either blanch or steam this family of vegetables prior to use. So today in this recipe we are going to blanch the cauliflower for the preparation. For aloo gobi methi sabji, I have taken cauliflower, which is gobi, so 700 grams, and I have cut it into a medium florets, and I have washed them and kept as a pat dry. And 300 grams of potato, peeled and cut it into medium diced, and taken 1 cup of green peas and 250 grams of fenugreek leaf, which is methi. So I'm going to just pluck from here the tender parts like this, and then we will chop and keep ready for cooking. I say earlier that we are going to blanch the cauliflower prior to cooking, which will help to release the gas from the cauliflower, and it is very easy way to digest the cauliflower, so you will not feel the bloating on your stomach. So I have just taken a boiling water and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of salt to it, so that will season the cauliflower at the same time. And we are going to add the cauliflower over here, and we will just blanch for 30 seconds. So you need to give a just 30-second count to it, less than a minute, and we will just take it out. So almost 30 seconds is done. I'm just releasing all the cauliflower from the water, and on the same water we will just blanch the potato also for 1 minute. So almost 1 minute is done. I'm just taking out the potato as well, and I will keep aside. Now we will just shallow fry the cauliflower to just give a color. So I'm just adding 200 ml of oil. The oil is hot. Now we will just to give a color to the cauliflower. So we will just shallow fry them. We will just fry them till light color, like a light golden color on the top of the cauliflower. So you can see they are just turning to light golden color. So approximately we have fried almost 2 minutes. Now we are going to take it out, all of them, in a paper towel and keep aside. We are just also going to fry the potato, just to give a nice light golden brown color. So approximately 2 minutes we have shallow fried the potato also. You can see nicely crispy golden brown color. At this stage we are going to take it out the potato. Reduce the oil, and now we are going to add 1 tablespoon of cumin seed and 3 of red dried chili, adding up 1 cup of chopped red onion, which is 1 cup, medium size of onion, and let's cook it till they get a translucent. Onion is almost translucent. At this stage I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and we will cook till the rawness of ginger garlic paste is gone. So we cooked almost for 1 minute. Now we are going to add all the dry spices. So 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. I'm adding up half cup of water to it. so the masala will not get burned and it will get cooked properly. So we will just cook at least 1 to 1.5 minutes. You see the spices are very much cooked. Now we are going to add 1 cup of roughly chopped tomato, approximately just 1 large tomato. Adding up 1 teaspoon of salt and let cook spices and tomato along with the salt and let the tomato get softened. Approximately 2 minutes we will cook. Masala is very much cooked. The tomato is softened. At this point now we are going to add the chopped fenugreek leaf, which is methi. And we will just cook for 2 to 3 minutes. So it's almost 3 minutes. I have cooked this leafy vegetable, which is fenugreek, and they are very much cooked well. Now at this stage we are going to add the potato. Toss it gently. We are going to add our blanched and fried cauliflower and toss them very gently. Toss gently so it should not break. And at this point you need to check the seasoning. So I think I need a little bit more of seasoning, so I'm just adding 1 teaspoon of salt to it and giving a nice gentle toss. And now I'm going to add the green peas and again give a gentle toss to it. Here our aloo gobi and methi ki sukhi sabji is ready. So our delicious aloo gobi and methi ki sabji is ready, and butter is an option. You can add it, or if you don't like to add, it's up to you. But this is such a beautiful dish which is always good for the winter season because a lot of methis are available, which is fenugreek. So it can go very well side dish for the rice, roti, naan, whichever way you like to eat it. So here I present, and I hope you must have enjoyed cooking with me. Please follow the step-by-step procedure, and very easy and quick to make this recipe. And if you like our video, please do not forget to like and subscribe our channel. See you soon. Till then, eat healthy and stay safe.